to the Grand Gallery, where colors dance and mysteries breathe. The halls shimmer bright with a painter's delight, but shadows crawl just underneath. Tonight's the gala of the arts, where every hue plays a part. But a crime was born with a brutal scorn, a masterpiece torn apart. Brushes dropped, whispers fly, a guilty hand beneath the sky. The butler's called, the doors are sealed. The truth tonight must be revealed. In color crimes we play our part, where every mark betrays a heart. Influence of arts, the spark. Where healing starts, where healing starts. Through sculpture studios and graffiti gardens, through abstract atriums wild and hardened. You'll chase the trails of pastel dreams, find truth stitched inside the seams. The suspects wait in colored pride. Purple, red, blue, green collide. Black and yellow, bluff and sway. Will you unmask the guilt today? Brushes dropped, whispers fly, a guilty hand beneath the sky. The butler's called, the doors are sealed. The truth tonight must be revealed. In color crimes we play our part, where every mark betrays a heart. Influence of arts, the first spark. Where healing starts, where healing starts. Remember, in art a mark remains. In colors, beauty, and in stains. Influence of art, where the canvas heals. Unlock your story. Unlock what's real.
Case 4. The Pearl Smeared. Victim, girl with a pearl earring, the entire face smudged with pastels. Crime details, a pastel stick lies snapped in half, crushed under a heel. Clues, someone was muttering about beauty being too simple. Outcome, use the tools. Outcome, culprit, Lady Yellow. Weapon, pastels. Room, the Fine Art Lounge. Motive, envy of the girl's eternal beauty and status.